Hello and welcome to the world of DUOPlus125. Equally ahead, we want you to introduce with the function of spindle adjustment. At the market point, you see the fixing screw. The spindle must be opened before adjustment the spindle position. Next to it, you can see the adjustment screw. With this, you can adjust the spindle to complete your workpieces of different sizes. Please do not forget to lock the fixing screw again. At this DUOPlus125 is equipped with a mix clamping. We want you to demonstrate the adjusting of the spindle position. Our first consisting of mixing clamping on the right side of the clamping based on our grip technology. The foundation stone of the grip clamping is a combination of grip spindle and the gripper, generated by the form closer clamping of raw parts and cast iron part is possible. On the left side, we simulate the second clamping, based on the conventional clamping, which means that clamping surfaces parallels to pre-machined workpieces. We recommend the smaller workpieces in clamping station 1 or the left side and insert the larger workpieces in clamping station 2 or the right side. Using span calculator, step 1. Span determination of the workpieces. You can the span calculator at www.almatic.de download for free. The two determined values please enter in the two input windows. Behind it is the way of clamping. In our example, the workpiece A is 195 mm with a raw part. Workpiece B with 68.2 mm simulates a conventional clamping. In the fields below, please enter the jaws which are available to you. Please note that for raw parts clamping, our support jaws in connection with our universal gripper set are necessary. Following, the program proposes you multiple clamping options. Whichever you choose, up to you. The print function allows for a quick and clearly arranged of the presentation can be clamped. This is printed in A4 format and easy the settings on the DUOPlus125 locally or on the machine. To activate the spindle adjustment, please open the fixing screw. Then you can adjust the value based on the dial that it is in the 5-step designed. Then close the fixing screw again. We begin with the little workpieces on clamping station 1, which is conventionally clamped. Clamping station 2 is equipped with a larger workpiece. It should be noted that the universal grip set, as shown in the drawing, is bolted on the mobile jaw in row 2 and on the fixed jaw in row 3. If the spindle is properly adjusted for the workpieces, the jaws contact first in station 1 the workpiece. This is preloaded. In station 2, between jaw and workpiece is a free space is available from 3 to 5 mm. When you turn, the other mobile jaw of the station 2 moves to the workpiece. By turning the spindle, a resistance is reached, which must be overcome with 25 Nm. The rotation of the inside spindle is limited by the adjusted torque range of maximum 40 Nm or by a rotation limit to 3.5 turns. Upon reaching the torque range of 40 Nm, each workpiece is clamped with 40 kN. Preparation for manual span adjustment. The spindle is on original state, i.e. the adjustment is 0. First, you move your jaw to the point where they meet up on a resistor. Now insert the small workpiece into clamping station 1, or on the left side. Then please open the fixing screw. The complete spindle via the adjusting screw drive until it stops. Stops mean up to 25 mm, which is the maximum of the adjusting unit, or until the mobile jaw of the first station on the workpiece is applied. In our example, the mobile jaw stops to the workpiece first. Then turn to an accent that the workpiece of the second station with about 5 mm of free space in the opening fits clamping. Then turn so far that the workpiece of the second station fits with about 5 mm of free space in the opening clamping. Now the spindle is adjusted correctly. Please no closing the fixing screw again. Your DUOPlus125 is ready independent of any batch sizes for processing.